Now we list the formulae, list of the formulae or formulae to be remembered. They also can be written like this: d by dx of x power n. That means differentiation of x power n with respect to x is what? N into x power n minus 1. D by dx of root x. What all we have done, we are listing them, that's all. 1 by 2 root of x. D by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. Number 4, d by dx of e power x is equal to e power x. Number 5, d by dx of a power x, where a is a constant, is what? A power x into log a. And sometimes its base is written as e also. Number 6, d by dx are trigonometrical expressions. D by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. Number 7, d by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Number 8, d by dx of tan x is equal to secant squared x. Number 9, d by dx of cot x is equal to minus cosecant squared x. Number 10, d by dx of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. Number 11, d by dx of cosecant x is what? Minus cosecant x into cot x. Now we take differentiation of function of functions. Differentiation of function of functions. A function of a function or composite function. First one, if y is equal to u plus v, where u and v are functions of x, then dy by dx is equal to dy by du into d or plus dv by dx. Now y is equal to u plus v. Let delta x be a small change in x, and when there is a change in x, because u and v are functions of x, there will be changes in u and v, and delta u comma delta v be the corresponding changes in u and v respectively. Then, because there is a change in x, there are changes in u and v. Because there are changes in u and v, there will be change in y. Let delta y be the consequent change in y. So y plus delta y is equal to u plus delta u plus v plus delta v. Below that same method, y is equal to u plus v, subtract, y cancels, u cancels and v cancels, delta y is equal to delta u plus delta v. Divide both sides by delta x and take limits as delta x tending to 0. So limit delta x tending to 0, delta y by delta x is equal to limit delta x tending to 0, delta u by delta x plus delta v by delta x. So by convention, left hand side becomes dy by dx. Right hand side also by convention, this becomes du by dx plus this becomes dv by dx. The corollary is if y is equal to u plus v minus w, where u, v, w are functions of x, then dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx minus dw by dx. That means differentiation of a sum is what? Sum of the differentiations. So differentiation of a difference is what? Difference of the differentiations. Next one, we take product formula. That is, if there is a product of functions, if y is equal to u into v, where u and v are functions of x, then dy by dx is equal to first one into differentiation of the second plus second into differentiation of the first. Anyway, you can write it. So second one v into du by dx plus u into dv by dx. So y is equal to u into v, let delta x be a small change in x. Let delta u comma delta v, if there is a change in x, because u and v are functions of x, there will be change in u, there will be change in v. Let delta u, delta v be the corresponding changes, in u and v. Because there are changes in u and v, there will be change in y, because y is a function of u and v. So delta y be the consequent change in y. Then y plus delta y is equal to u plus delta u multiplied by v plus delta v. So below that you write y is equal to uv, subtract delta y is equal to, now first one you multiply uv plus u delta v plus v delta u plus delta u delta v, and then minus uv. Minus uv and plus uv cancel. Now right, divide both sides by delta x and take limits as delta x tending to 0. So we write limit delta y by delta x tending to 0 is equal to limit delta x tending to 0. Here you must take care, whole divided by delta x means what? Delta x you write delta v by delta x, delta u by delta x, and lastly below any one of them you can write u into delta v by delta x plus v into delta u by delta x plus here below any one of them you write. So I write delta u by delta x into delta v, because now this becomes by conversion dy by dx is equal to, this becomes u into dv by dx, and this becomes v into du by dx, and here this becomes delta u by delta x becomes du by dx, because there is a change in x, there is a change in v. If the change in x becomes 0, change in v becomes 0, so this is into 0, since here you must give the reasoning. Since delta x tends to 0, delta v also tends to 0. So what do you get? dy by dx is equal to v du by dx plus u dv by dx. This is the formula that we get.